Welcome to Nature, Environment and Lifestyle, where we explore the untouched beauty of our planet. Today, we take you on an adventure to Devtakhum, nestled deep in the heart of Bandarban, Bangladesh. Devtakhum is located in Rwangsori Upazila of Bandarban district. The scenic Bandarban is said to be the heavenly kingdom of Khum, and the crown of excellence of this kingdom undoubtedly goes to Devtakhum. According to the locals, this comb is about 50 to 70 feet deep and 600 feet long, which is much bigger and wilder than Debotakhum. To reach Devtakhum, you have to first trek from Rwangsori to Kossoptoli army camp and trek to Shilbandapara, Liragao with permission. Of course, a strong bamboo fence should be made from Shilbandapara. Going to Shilbanda, one has to cross Pongshuang Khum first. Devtakhum begins after crossing Pongshuang Khum. To the locals, it is Shonakhum. Many also call it Thongsikhum in Marma language. Debotakhum trails is as beautiful as it is terrifying. During the monsoon, there is a risk of getting lost in the slippery rocky path as well as in the form of hills on the trail which can block your eyes. No noise, out of network, all around is quiet silence, like a haunted environment. The sound of dripping water will make the environment seem more haunted. The path passed between two huge mountains, which had to be carried by rafts. You can enjoy the nature very close here. To merge with nature, the way to go will tell you how beautiful the way to heaven can be. An impossible adventure, the perfect Devtakhum for absolutely mind-blowing. Devtakhum is a combo package of trekking, adventure, risk, valor kayaking. Totally off the network, a different environment. Everything around is quiet. The sound will be the sound of water dripping from above, the sound of your raft, and the echo of your words. The surroundings are so spooky and quiet that it will give you a real feel of adventure. This comb between two big hills is completely dark inside. Sunlight is very narrow. Way to Debotakhum, Bandarban passed from anywhere. Bus or CNG run auto rickshaw to reach Rwangsori Bazar from Bandarban. In case of buses to Rwangsori leave from Rwangsori bus stand in Bandarban. Bandarban to Rwangsori bus 60 taka per person. It will take about 1 hour. And in case of CNG run auto rickshaw, you will get CNG directly from Bandarban to Rwangsori Bazar. CNG run auto rickshaw reserve will take like 500 taka. To go to Debotakhum, you need to take a guide, and the guide should be taken from Ruangsori Bazar, because there is a police entry here and later there is an army checkpost entry at Kasabtoli, and your guide will make all the arrangements. You have to go to Kasabtoli from Ruangsori by CNG run auto rickshaw. It will take about 30 to 35 minutes. After entry to Kasabtoli, then Shilbadapara by walking path and hill trekking. You will not find shops after Kasabtoli market. So if you want to buy water, food, you have to buy it from here. It will take about 30 to 40 minutes to go from Kasabtoli to Shilbadapara. Devtakhum is a 10-minute walk from Shilbadapara. Then take a raft to Khum state. Return route is also the same route. Dear viewers, pay attention to the things that go to Kasabtoli and report to the army camp with the guide. 2 photocopies of national identity card or passport must be kept. It is best to inform the guide in advance about the routes for visiting Devtakhum. There will be a problem with the network. You will get only Rovi or Airtel network in Kasabtoli, but from there to Khum, you will be completely off the grid. If you don't have a trekking suit, buy it. 120 to 140 will cost. You will get it in Bandarban. On the way to Devtakhum, you will find a spring named Shilbanda Jharna. Don't forget to visit the fountain on the way. The real beauty of Khum can be seen only during the rainy season, but the trekking after Shilbanda Jharna becomes very challenging as the trail is very slippery. So it is better to be mentally prepared in advance in this regard. It is better for new trekkers to avoid the rainy season, as the trail condition can be terrible for you. Be sure to note that the last bus from Ruangsori Bazar to Bandarban is at 5 p.m. After that, there is no bus, but you will always get CNG run auto rickshaw. Rafting through Devtakhum's water, one feels a profound connection with nature, far from the hustle and bustle of modern life. It's a place where time stands still and every moment is a testament to the wonders of our planet. Join us on this extraordinary journey to Devtakhum, where every step is a revelation and every sight is a marvel. Like, share and subscribe to Nature, Environment and Lifestyle for more adventures in the heart of nature.